everyone, welcome back to Nicole Outside. I'm Nicole, we're outside. Today we're gonna do something really cool. Not today, tonight I should say. We're gonna do something really cool and plant a bunch of zinnia seeds because hopefully this summer, once these things bloom, I'm gonna start a flower stand. My goal with starting a flower stand is to one, have fun with it. I really enjoyed planting zinnias last year and seeing them grow, harvesting them, picking bouquets, taking them to work, having them in the house, gifting them. I just really enjoyed zinnias specifically. I have a lot of traffic out in front of our house, and so I thought, you know what, why not plant a bunch of zinnias this year? I've sort of reserved this bed and the bed behind us here for them, and so I'm gonna plant a bunch and I'm gonna see if I can't start a flower stand. I really want the flower stand to be a source of income for us as well. Obviously, this is not something that I'm going to get rich off of, but it's something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and I think it would be something that I could relatively easily manage while working full time. So yeah, we're gonna plant hundreds of zinnia seeds today. So my plan, the soil is already kind of scratched up. I'm gonna get the hard rake out. I'm literally gonna open the packet, kind of like shake it as evenly as I can, kind of rake the soil back again, and then I'm gonna water them in. We're gonna see what happens. All together, I have 12 packages of seeds. That seems like kind of a lot, right? I shouldn't do all that. Or should I? These are the Lilliput variety. This is the one that I planted last year that did so well, which is crazy because this says that they were packed for 2021, so it's a pretty old seed at this point. And then next here's another Lilliput mixed color. It's the one from the Dollar Tree. You know, how much do they charge for a packet of seeds in the dollar store now? Is this still $1? Or I think that said 25 cents. Yeah, 4 for $1. Comment below if you know. Next up is the Burpiana Giants mixed colors. This is the one that's like, has a little bit more delicate of a flower. I'm pretty sure that these are beets, though I don't even know, to be honest with you. It might just be a weed. These were spread in the, been letting them grow just to kind of see what they are, but I don't think I want them in there anymore, so I'm gonna pull them. Gotta make room for the zinnias. All right, and these here are the Peruvian zinnia from the botanical gardens close to here. So I'm really excited for this one. Oh wow, the seeds look different too. Here, look at this. They're a bit more like narrow in nature. That's so weird. I know that you guys are probably seeing some other plants growing in the garden, and don't worry, I'm gonna give you guys the tour soon. It's about mid-May right now. The last time I filmed a video in the garden was actually in, when was that? Mid-March, and I've got some things blooming. Some really good growth on some other things too, and so I need to film another tour soon. First things first, gotta get these zinnias planted, but yeah, don't worry, I'll give you a full tour soon. Okay, so I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, I've got 6 packages left. I think I'll do the Johnny Oklahoma salmon ones here. So we'll just start with that. These are some volunteer zinnias here because this is where I had the same bed that I had my zinnias in last year. And so I'm just allowing them to reroot. So that's nice, free zinnias. I'm really excited for this Oklahoma salmon variety. I think it's gonna be really cool. Up next, California Giants. We all know and love those. Oops. There wasn't many in there. Up next, State Fair mixed colors. Forecast mixed colors. So these zinnias kind of have the petals that come up from the the center bottom and they kind of like forecast their petals out. Packets don't last very long, do they? All right, up next here we have the giant flowered mixed colors, and we're gonna put them over there. Last but not least, we've got the Johnny's Queenie Formula Mix. Okay, so I don't know how I did that so perfectly, but I used all, how many packets did I say I have? I forget, you guys can remind me, but I used every single packet that I had available, and yeah, it took up like exact the amount of space that I had, so yay, go me. All right, outdoor friends, time for the important part. We're gonna rake it in, spread it around, and then I've already got the hose out because I just wrapped up watering the garden, or watering the rest of the garden. So then I'll water everything in. Gosh. Can you guys see him? He just crawled over my toe and it scared me so bad. Wait, I should try to catch him. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, I should try to catch him. Wait. Oh my god. Maybe I'll just get the camera. Look how cute he is. Hi, honey. He's probably so scared. Thank you guys for coming with me and planting all of these zinnias. These are my snapdragons, by the way. Look at them! They're about to explode. This one over here has like a variegated color. It goes from yellow and fades into like these really pretty salmons and pinks, and so I'm excited to see those come to blossom. So yeah, thank you for planting all of these, maybe hundreds of zinnias. I am so excited to see how they bloom and what it's like this year. I wanted to start a flower stand as a little side something for a long time now. And so if these grow, I'm gonna finally give it a try. I can't believe that we perfectly planted, had just the perfect amount for both of those garden beds, so that is super nice. I have no idea how to run a flower stand outside of keeping the flowers fresh, wrapping them in little bundles, and pricing them. I mean, what else could you need, right? If you have any thoughts on things that I might need to consider, what to name my flower stand, that's a really important piece of it. How to design it, I still haven't built it, or maybe I'll buy one off of Facebook Marketplace, kind of depends on, yeah, I might take a look and just see what's out there. How should I paint it? I want it to be really colorful and bright and eye-catching and pretty, and I just really want it to be like spunky and funky and weird. And then what should I sell in it? Should I sell anything other than zinnias? Should I just stick to zinnias? How should I price them? I forget if I already mentioned that. Just if you have any advice, leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you for the next outdoor adventure. Bye!